Hello, I'm Rob Buffington with Home Seekers, Berkshire Hathaway of East Lansing, and today we're going to talk to you guys about how to prepare a home for sale that needs work, or how to sell a home that needs work in today's market. There are a lot of different strategies. People come into our ecosystem and they want to sell a property. Sometimes it's an estate, sometimes it's a property that they moved out of the area and they're now renting, and they've kind of been disconnected from the property, and so they come to us as the professionals in the industry and they want to know what it's going to take to get the home sold, and sometimes get the home sold quickly. So obviously the first strategy is you could fix it up. A lot of people, depending on the property and how much work is involved, you might want to fix it up to a point where it's going to return a higher, get you a higher return on your investment. That's one strategy. Some people like that strategy. They lean on us for contractors, and I've flipped houses over the last 5 years, and so I have quite a database of people that we can use to help prepare a home to go on today's market. Another strategy would be to kind of wholesale it and offer it out to investors, like myself, but we also have a vast reach into the investor market here in the Great Lansing area. So we could, kind of shop it out to investors that they would be willing to buy the property as is, in as is condition, so you don't have to do any repairs. It's one of those things that is just kind of off your plate and you don't have to think about it, and you can still get a quick sale on it and a pretty good return on your investment. There's another strategy that you can do with a house that needs repairs, and the other strategy I would say is you could get a home inspection. The disclaimer with home inspections is that whenever you have a home inspection and there are things that are unearthed at the home inspection, you're going to have to disclose that. So think about that. We did home inspections prior to putting properties on the market during the downturn back in 2008, 9, 10. And that's kind of great if you can do a home inspection and then make those necessary repairs, because if you have a reputable inspector, you can then offer the home out as being pre-inspected and you've met those repairs that inspector recommended. So that's a great strategy to get a home sold quickly in today's market. Obviously, you could price it lower than the market analysis. That will get it out there and get it sold quickly. We've talked about this quite a bit in the past on pricing properties, and so you could price it below the current market. And then a lot of times, especially buyers right now, because we have such low inventory, they might come in in droves and drive the price up. So think about that. Think about maybe getting your home pre-inspected. Maybe you wholesale it out to investors, or you just price it so low that you bring in a large pool of buyers that are going to drive that price up for you. So, and as always, as we're coming into this spring market, if you need help, reach out to Home Seekers today. We're happy to help.